With a host of updates to improve reliability and security, there's never been a better time to upgrade your business to DSM 6.2. iSCSI Manager and Snapshot Replication allow for super fast recovery should disaster strike. DSM 6.2 brings you better RPO, RTO, and faster recovery speeds. Synology High Availability Manager is a hassle-free method for mirroring data and maximizing service uptime. A redesigned interface, along with improved detection and response times, makes keeping your business online easier than ever. Even safely stored files can fall victim to silent data corruption, but with data scrubbing, you can set up regular schedules to inspect data pools, as well as detect and repair data inconsistencies. To learn more about these and other great features of DSM 6.2, visit Synology.com.